In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Remitly account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can close your profile confidently and without confusion. First, head to the Remitly website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your name there. Click it to open a small menu. This is where Remitly keeps quick links related to your account. From that menu, choose Settings. This will take you to the area where you manage your account preferences. Settings can include several sections, so take a moment to make sure you're in the Profile Information section. If you land somewhere else, such as Notifications or Security, switch over to Profile Information so you're in the right place to proceed. With Profile Information open, scroll down the page. Near the bottom, you'll find the option labeled Close My Profile. It can be easy to miss if you scroll quickly, so move slowly and look for that exact wording. If you don't see it immediately, double check that you're still in the Profile Information section and not another tab. When you click Close My Profile, Remitly will show an acknowledgement that explains what closing your profile means. You'll see a statement along the lines of, "I understand that I won't have access to my profile after it is closed." This is an important safeguard to make sure you're making an intentional choice. Read it carefully and then click to confirm that you understand. This step helps prevent accidental closure and ensures you're aware that you won't be able to log in to view your profile details afterward. After acknowledging, proceed by selecting Close My Profile. This is the action that submits your request to close the account. Give the page a moment to process. You should see a confirmation on screen indicating that your profile is being closed or has been closed. If you're on mobile or using a smaller screen, the layout may look slightly different, but the steps and labels are the same. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind as you go through this. Closing your profile removes your access to it going forward. If you rely on information stored in your profile, be aware that you won't be able to view it after this process. Also, the exact placement of buttons can change with design updates, but the Close My Profile option remains within profile information. That's it. You've navigated to Remitly, opened your account menu, entered settings, confirmed your in-profile information, found the Close My Profile option, acknowledged the warning, and finalized the closure.